Listen to me, feeling afraid. There's something in my life that is wrong. Listen to tell me that I'm okay. Don't worry because I am strong. I know it's hard sometimes to remember that I'm only human. And the things that I say are things that help me to overcome. I don't want nobody else, need somebody else to tell me my love. I ain't strong on my own, but if you think you can tell me why the things I'm doing is going wrong, it's just me getting stronger.